it's vital to prioritize your well-being during this time so that neither you, your children, your patients, or your case are hurt by this. So you already know that divorce can be one of the most challenging life events, and for you doctors, the complexities often multiply due to the demands of your profession and the potential implications on your practice. Now, whether you're a surgeon, a general practitioner, or a specialist, navigating the legal and financial and emotional aspects of a divorce requires careful consideration, especially when children are involved. So in this video, I'm going to explore some of the most common issues that you doctors face during divorce and offer you guidance on how to address them effectively. So first off, let's talk about time management. As a doctor, obviously your schedule is often unpredictable and we know it's demanding. This can be a significant challenge during a divorce, especially when it comes to attending court dates, meeting with your lawyer, negotiating settlements, mediation, even going to trial. So it's crucial to find a legal team that understands the constraints of your profession and will work with you to accommodate your schedule. Now, another major concern for doctors is the division of assets, particularly the valuation and distribution of a medical practice if you're an owner. Your practice is not just a job, it's a significant financial aspect of many years of hard work. In a divorce, the value of your practice will likely be assessed, and it could be considered marital property subject to division depending on when you got married, how far along you were in your practice, and some other variables. This process can be very complicated, especially when it involves business valuation experts and negotiations to ensure that the outcome is fair and reflects the true value of your contribution to that practice. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your practice's financials and to work with professionals who can protect your interests. Courts always aim to prioritize the best interests of the children, which means considering who has been the primary caregiver and the stability of each parent's home environment. However, your work schedule doesn't have to be a barrier to achieving a custody arrangement that works for you. Consider alternative arrangements such as shared parenting plans that accommodate your unique schedule, or having set times when you can spend quality time with your children, even if they're outside the typical custody hours. Make sure you pick a law firm that has been through many doctor divorces and understands the nuances and particular demands of your type of practice. As an example, a dermatologist working a traditional daytime work schedule is going to have much less need for flexibility with their parenting time than an emergency room doctor who rotates among various shifts and may even have to work a weekend. In addition to custody, child support is another issue that often arises. Doctors typically earn higher incomes than the average person, which can result in significant child support obligations. It's important to ensure that child support calculations are based on accurate income figures that take into account any fluctuations in your earnings. For example, if you have variable income due to bonuses, overtime, or private practice revenue, it's crucial that these are factored into the calculations in a way that's fair and sustainable for you. Even beyond the legal and financial aspect, the emotional toll of a divorce is particularly taxing for doctors. The stress of managing a demanding career while also going through a divorce can impact your mental health and even your ability to care for your patients. So it's vital to prioritize your well-being during this time so that neither you, your children, your patients, or your case are hurt by this. You might even consider seeking support from a therapist or a counselor who understands the unique pressures of your profession. Additionally, lean on your support network, whether it's colleagues or friends or family or even your attorneys, to help you manage the emotional and practice challenges of a divorce. And finally, confidentiality is a critical issue for doctors during divorce. The sanctity of patient information and reputation of your practice are paramount and must be protected. Ensure that any legal proceedings or negotiations do not inadvertently compromise your patient's privacy or your own professional standing. Okay, I know I've given you a lot to think about here, and I know that no divorce is ever easy, and as a doctor, you face challenges that are unique and require careful navigation. By being proactive and seeking the right attorney team, competent and caring professional support, and staying focused on both your personal and professional well-being, as well as the needs of your children, you can successfully manage this difficult time and emerge with your practice, your finances, and your relationships, especially with your children, intact. Thank you very much. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. And please share these videos and leave us comments and ask us questions. Also, join our Facebook group, Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.